Container ships dominate maritime shipping because they can transport most goods in intermodal containers. Container ship is specifically built for transporting containers inside cargo holds and exposed decks. Container ships feature a cell guide system with groups of 4 vertical guides made from steel angle bars. An important component of the cell guide system is the flared entry guide at the top of the cell angles, which assists the crane operator in lowering the containers into each cell or stack. Types of containers. Dry containers typically come in 3 sizes: 20-foot, 40-foot, and 45-foot. Refrigerated containers, reefers, designed for perishable and sensitive products requiring precise cool temperatures. Flat rack containers. With collapsible sides, these containers can be folded to create a flat rack for shipping various goods. They are ideal for heavy machinery, construction materials, and vehicles on tracks. Open tops. Specific purpose containers without a rigid roof, often covered with flexible, movable, or removable covers made of materials like canvas or reinforced plastic. Open tops are suitable for cargo that needs to be loaded using a top crane, such as heavy machinery. Flat racks and open tops are typically stowed under the deck by default, but they can also be placed on the deck. The placement of oversized cargo should be selected to allow easy access for the crew to reinforce lashings if needed. Lift-away hatch covers on a container ship enable the vessel to carry containers on deck. They split the container stack between the hold and the deck and prevent water ingress into the cargo hold. Depending on the ship's width, 1 to 5 panels cover each hold opening. These lift-away panels, which can weigh up to 45 tons each, are handled with a spreader using terminal cranes. When loading cargo on a flat rack, it is essential to account for the necessary weight distribution and determine the position of the cargo's center of gravity. Proper cargo stuffing, lashing, and securing are crucial because a vessel is subject to various motions at sea, which generate accelerations on the cargo. Depending on the navigation area, these accelerations can reach up to 2 Earth's gravity force in all directions: forward, backward, lateral, and vertical. The stowage plan is crucial for arranging containers on board, ensuring safety and efficient transport. It evaluates each container's weight and dimensions to evenly distribute the load, stabilizing the vessel and preventing excessive roll or trim. Heavier containers are placed lower and nearer to the vessel's center to lower the center of gravity and enhance stability. Containers with hazardous materials follow the IMGD code to mitigate risks. Container locations are specified in shipping documents, with bays across the ship's width, rows lengthwise, and tiers vertically. Containers are checked before loading for compliance with documentation and labeling. Barcodes or RFID tags are scanned. Each cargo is marked with a special identification number. The container vessel utilizes twist locks as primary devices for securing containers. A twist lock typically consists of a body, a pin, and a rotary handle. The pin is inserted into the container fitting, and turning the handle locks the pin securely into place, effectively securing the container. In addition to twist locks, rods with turnbuckles play a crucial role in securing container loads. They are essential for pulling containers together, forming a unified structure that prevents horizontal movement between them. This mechanism enhances the overall stability of containers, particularly in conditions of pitching and strong waves. In the hold, containers slide along guide rails that prevent their chaotic movement when loading and unloading. The lower tier of containers is fastened with container deck locks, ensuring the stability of the entire structure. Upon arrival of the vessel at the port of destination, an unloading plan is created. Containers are unloaded in an optimal sequence for further transportation and cargo distribution to its final destination.